Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to day one or week one of Life of ServiceNow Developer. I hope you watched the last video a bit late, but now I will try to be regular. Okay. So now day one, you already joined the company. Okay. What you will do in day one or week one? Obviously, in most of the cases, you will not write code directly. It's time to get in touch to know the people there. What people look at on the screen? Your project team, basically the team lead, the scrum master, admin, developers, your co-workers. Okay, you have to get in touch with all these people, understand a bit about what's going on the project, what are their roles and responsibility. Okay, give your introduction, understand their introduction. Okay, such sort of things are going on. And formally, informally, you will get something about your project. You can ask if there is any document which you can go through. Okay, once you have all these things, maybe in day two or something, you can ask about kind of project accesses, like your developer instance or your developer or UAT instance, maybe production as well. Okay, understand the process, how we are getting the work, how we are delivering the work, what is the deployment window. All this simple stuff you can ask. Obviously, they may have all those documents which they can share with you, and you can go through it. If you have any question, you can ask any one of it. Okay. Next thing is learning about agile workflow and ceremonies. So agile, in most of the companies, people are following agile, like they have the scrum team, scrum master is there, they have scrum meetings, stand-ups. Okay. So understand the what they are following, what your team is following, okay, in terms of delivery of project, in terms of delivery of work. Okay, so these things you have to understand in this particular period of day one or week one. Okay, next thing is shadow a developer working on the real tickets. Yes, you should not start immediately with the real things. Give some time to yourself. Okay, and get in touch with the people who are actually working. Let's say there is a developer who are working on a new kind of requirement, so sit with him, understand the process, understand what they are doing, understand the expectation of the client, and look at what they are basically building, if it's a client script. And also try to observe. This is the most important thing. Instead of directly hitting hard, all these things you should avoid. Have patience, show your maturity, and this will definitely help you going forward. Okay, so next thing is familiarize yourself with project tools. So yes, in a project, there are various tools which people are using, like for ticketing, like for managing the project, all sort of story and everything, what they are following, what they are doing, understand that, and try to get your access in that as well. Okay, that is done. Clarify expectation and ask questions. Obviously, when you get the document, when you heard about client, heard about the way of things are progressing there, you can ask any question to anyone, mostly to the people or the to the buddy assigned to you, right? So do not afraid of asking any question, because this is the time nobody is going to judge you. Okay, so if you have question, please ask. Make sure you connect the dot properly in the very first week, or very first, not day, obviously first week. Once you have that, then it will be very good for you. But if you do not, believe me, later you will have much embarrassment, and people will mostly stop trusting you because you do not know the basics. So it's very good if you ask your questions well in advance in this transition phase itself, and go for it. Okay, and review key learning and next steps. Obviously, make a plan, whatever you have heard from people, make a note of it and review it. Try to connect the dot, ask the question, and this is the whole week one. So key takeaways: day one is about orientation, understanding the project, and getting ready to contribute, not to write code. So this is the general. It may differ in your current project, but what I'm telling you is the general thing. So be with me till the end of this particular series. I will come up with more such things which generally people do not share. Day-to-day things which are happening in the life of a developer of ServiceNow. Okay. So stay tuned, share this video with the people who are new, who are getting ready to the project, and boom. Thank you. Subscribe.